Hello, this is Carolyn Wallace. Welcome to this walking mindfulness meditation. You can do this anywhere, outside in nature, or simply walking slowly indoors. Let's begin. As you start walking, slow down just a little. Feel your body as a whole. Your posture, your shoulders, your face. No need to adjust anything. Simply arriving here. Now bring your attention to your feet. The sensation of lifting, moving, placing, step by step. You might notice pressure, contact, balance shifting. Let your attention rest here. Simple, steady. Now gently expand your awareness. Notice what you can hear. Sounds near, sounds far. Notice what you can see. Light, color, movement. Maybe the feeling of air on your skin. Nothing to hold on to. Just receiving. Moment by moment. As you walk, thoughts will come. That's natural. No need to stop them, no need to follow them. Just notice and gently return to walking. To the feet, to the body. To this moment. Now allow everything to come together. Walking, breathing, sensing. All happening at the same time. Nothing separate. Just this simple experience of being here. Take one more slow step and notice how you feel. Maybe nothing special, maybe just a little more present. That's enough. You can carry this awareness into the rest of your day, step by step. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, may peace be with you.